It's the boys' turn para malaman kung sino ang pasok sa ating top club at kung sino ang uuwi. Let's begin. Robbie. Sabi ni Jolina, winner ang performance mo. After the nationwide vote, Robbie, please take your seat. You are part of the top club. Congratulations. Now, Augie said your performance was dynamite. Your best ever. The Philippines voted and rapped. They agreed with Augie. Congratulations. Darryl. Sabi ni Wingard, hindi ka nag-improve. You just look good. After the nationwide vote, Darryl, you are stepping back. You're part of the bottom. Warren. Augie said your performance was okay, but it was looking for the fireworks that he used to see in you. After the vote, Warren, you say congratulations. So first, sabi ni Wingard, be careful with your choice of song. At gusto rin lang makakita ng iba sa performance. The Philippines voted. So first, you are moving on. Congratulations. Kid and JJ. Kid. Napaiyak mo si Jolina sa performance mo. Sabi niya, hindi na naramdaman na may audience pala dito na isang contest ito. JJ. Augie said, you have to be careful with your notes. After the vote, JJ, please step back. Kid, congratulations! Darryl and JJ, please step forward. The lowest vote belongs to the Philippines. But only one will move on to be part of our top club and who will perform in our first gala performance next week. And Darryl, say goodbye to JJ. He's leaving us tonight. Darryl, congratulations. Darryl, alam mo natin lahat, maraming talagang competitors throughout this competition. Maybe, hindi lang yung lucky. But, I'm sure hindi naman kayo lahat yung makikita ka namin. Okay, so, palapakan po natin si JJ. Let's take a look back at the Twitter angle version.